What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Top 5 Tray, where we dive into tech that isn't just cool on paper, but actually makes a difference when you use it day after day. And today, we're looking at something that might just become your new favorite gaming and productivity companion, the Epomaker TH85 Wireless Gaming Keyboard. Now, at first glance, it might just look like another mechanical keyboard with some RGB slapped on it. But the moment you dig into what this thing is packing, you'll quickly realize it's got way more to offer than meets the eye. So let's break it all down and see why this keyboard could be the ultimate upgrade for your setup. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Hit that like button if you're into clean performance breakdowns. Subscribe for more no BS tech content. And the Epomaker TH85 is designed for gamers, coders, creators, or literally anyone who spends hours typing away at their desk. Right off the bat, you've got this compact 85 key layout, which strikes the perfect balance between saving space and still giving you all the keys you actually need. It's smaller than a full-size keyboard, so you're not losing precious desk real estate. But at the same time, you're not sacrificing essential keys like arrow keys or function keys. That makes it a sweet spot layout, especially if you're gaming 1 minute, then switching over to work or school the next. Connectivity is another area where this keyboard shines. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless with a dongle, and of course, USB C for wired use. That means you can literally use it with pretty much anything: your PC, Mac, laptop, gaming console, tablet, even a smartphone. Imagine this: you're grinding on your gaming PC, but then you need to get some work done on your laptop. With the TH85, you don't have to deal with swapping keyboards back and forth because it can connect to multiple devices and switch seamlessly between them. That flexibility is a huge win if you're someone juggling multiple devices throughout the day. Now let's talk about what really makes this thing special. The typing experience. The TH85 comes with Epomaker's creamy jade linear switches, which are pre-lubed right out of the box. That means you don't have to waste hours tinkering with lubing them yourself just to get that buttery smooth feel. Every key press is smooth, consistent, and satisfying, making it not only great for gaming, where you need quick actuation, but also for long typing sessions where comfort matters. Add to that the gasket-mounted design, and suddenly you're not just pressing keys, you're getting this cushioned, dampened feel that takes away the harshness you often get on cheaper mechanical keyboards. The gasket structure absorbs some of the impact, giving you a softer sound and a much more premium feel. For late-night gamers, coders, or writers, that's going to make a noticeable difference. Customization is another highlight. The TH85 supports QMK and VIA, which basically means you're in complete control of your keyboard's functionality. You can remap keys, create macros, adjust layers, and really fine-tune the board to match your workflow or your game. If you're someone who likes shortcuts, custom layouts, or you just want your keyboard to work exactly the way you think, QMK VIA support is like having a superpower. It's rare to see this level of customization built into a keyboard at this price point, so that already puts the TH85 in a league of its own. Let's not forget the backlighting. The TH85 comes with full RGB support, and of course, you can cycle through tons of effects to match your vibe. Whether you want a rainbow wave flowing across your keys, a single color glow to match your setup, or reactive lighting that responds to every key press, it's all built in. And since it's RGB, you can personalize it down to the individual key level if you want to get really fancy. It's not just about looks either. In dimly lit rooms or late night sessions, that lighting can genuinely make it easier to find the right keys quickly. One of the most practical things about this keyboard is its size and portability. At just 13.78 inches by 5.51 inches by 1.65 inches, it's compact enough to throw into a backpack and take with you anywhere. If you're someone who goes between home, office, and maybe a coffee shop or two, this keyboard is built to travel. And since it connects wirelessly and has a rechargeable battery, you don't have to deal with cables everywhere. The fact that you can game on your desktop, then throw it in your bag, and pair it with your laptop at work makes it one of the most versatile keyboards out there. Now let's get real about the benefits for gamers. With low latency 2.4 GHz wireless, you're not going to feel lag holding you back in competitive games. The linear switches give you consistent speed and accuracy, and the compact design means more space for your mouse to move freely, which can be a big deal if you're into shooters or fast-paced titles. On the flip side, if you're a student or a professional, you're going to love how comfortable it feels to type long essays, emails, or code without your fingers getting getting fatigued. This isn't one of those keyboards that's just good for one thing. It's genuinely built for balance. Another underrated feature is the hot swappable sockets. That means you can change out the switches without soldering. So let's say you start with the creamy jade linear switches, but down the line you want to experiment with tactile or clicky switches. No problem. Just pull them out, pop new ones in, and you've basically got a brand new keyboard without buying a whole new board. That flexibility makes it future-proof because your preferences might change over time, but this keyboard can grow with. Style-wise, the black and white and blue colorway is clean and modern, and with the customizable RGB, it's easy to make it match any setup aesthetic. Whether you're into minimalist desk setups or full-blown RGB battle stations, this keyboard can fit right in. To wrap it all up, the Epomaker TH85 QMK VIA Wireless gaming keyboard is not just about looking cool or sounding clicky. It's about giving you options, comfort, and performance in one compact package. You're getting multiple connectivity modes, pre-lubed custom switches, gasket-mounted comfort, hot swappable flexibility, full RGB lighting, and deep customization with QMK VIA support. All of that packed into a design that works as well for gaming as it does for everyday productivity. It's versatile, it's premium, and it's built to make your life easier whether you're gaming, working, or just browsing the web. So, if you've been looking for a keyboard that can truly do it all, the Epomaker TH85 might just be the one to beat. It's the kind of keyboard that adapts to you, not the other way around, and that's exactly what makes it stand out.